Me mama kwaba eba nature servant aswe so. Idian and nepia at the pagagai. Emi se muni me dada. Ene de me nkwana me nam. Ye wo no bebra ye mpa ho to mankyere mu. Ene ye da foforo kra. Ye be pa ho nyina to mankyere mu. Ise bi wo mu na se ohia bia. Na bomoden afre. Me pa cho ye nwanom mema ye ba mo so. Eye mema adwu. Ye de ne nya de ufa ye se de purposely for a man ko a. Eye fu tirim wadwenim kufu nase. Eye ho adwuma. Emma watinka no so bosoro. Ne masade no se eswakrampa utimi di eye adwuma. Enti utimi no for so o kwa adwuma fa utimi teki. Basa akono ne basa pese wo bo adwuma na wo boni yiye ema oba no eni chi. Emma ye nigye e wo ha yi so de ewrade ma eno ane asoka kakra ubebu e de amaye. Na me so afobie fibroid e ya de a e ha ya adwin bebre. Fibroid nti obi akwa aware mfi bebre ni wonya awo no wawo. Ye wadru a ye mfa se kan kan e be melt fibroid ni bia ma na ba bontin ama nso so nya ye funu awoba. Fibroid da oba so a menu di adanse se ma kunu mo topasan enye adwuma. Ono wonne fra no pa so anwumre nyi sentimi na se piemu kwa na ebetumi so ase e ma ya himfie ho hia ye ai me nuama ahimfie no e ho hia ye pi so ohini ba ahimfie na sa ahimfie ho aye fi ana ho ho ogbo awura na sa ahimfie ho aye fi a pani so beka so ba esima hunni hudi usisi ohun abonten no na inside ho under canoe ho no get ho no uyiyi ho niema e ho ntampe no wo twehwe esie e wo se ho ye kuma na ohini bo wura ho a pie no kra ye den ama no nti mu nuama me wo mu ho so ye wo ho eno ane se obenunum di be ho ho eno ano no na so ohini bo wura ahimfie ho a ni we be fi ne chaw ewo ahemfie ho okwa obesan so ababiem na me kan me nka senwie ye kan se bia stroke wo stroke na so mfie bebre ni sia na eba ye nchen edi bosome mienu bosome ni ensa oba the nature servant o ho adru ejitum se edru bebre wo system ni obi edi edru ho dance na mo amunim abaawa no munim ne nsa no adwuma na mo amunim no enye spiritual eyinkwa no woye physical so kan ne be ya enipa no wo san hu yade wo hunhum no na wo san ho na mani enso ka ho enti se wo stroke na sada wo so bebre se wo nsa na enye adwuma ana wo nan na enye adwuma ana wanu achim ana se untumi kran keka ho kra na wo ba na so ye so a obehyew ama wanya ahoden ane na me se babiem ye fra bibi ti se emma ye wo candy gonorrhea syphilis ye woni nyina wo ho e ka ho bebre na ma mema ye no so kofom e ka ho bebre so na ye ma ye mu no ya himfie no e kwan ne ye kese so pesa himfie ni ka chum ketekete na wo samo jani mu so ya refree ho a wo ba the nature servant ho a ono ye health enya brofudru ye ha ya no wakon wrem okwa ye mutu no akotete na wo de aye eduro ede ahye ene yade ye keka ho aye modi yade bi wo hwa ye ntimi modi wo hafe so wo sa yade ni nyina na se upe eduro a ebetumi atene tatahwe a wo ba the nature servant aso ye so a won sabeke bi screen na wo hye no numbers na egusu me pa chobo modi na peke ne frɛ eduro ne mfa ho ne ba bia wo so wa brochue so wa African countries bia so wa Ghana ha say baby uwo bia delivery fi adwuma ye be send dia mo medam ase tafofo ye be hia
Indeed, I have seen a male secretary. The male secretary comprises of 5 chambers. The male secretary comprises of 5 chambers. Chamber 1, chamber 2, 3, 4, and 5. In each one of them were about 200 enslaved African men. About 200 men in the first one. About 200 men here.
How many cities?
About 200 men. About 200 men. About 200 men. About 200 men. So about 1,000 men were held in the detention. That was the only source of light and birth for about 200 men in here. where we are right now. Light, not sunlight, more contrary to what we do, more doubtful. Most are gathered into this one church. Also, contrary to frequency to the ocean directly. It's the feces and the urine of the 200, the waste of the 200 here will get in a second. Third, fourth, and fifth children. Mosquitoes were coming inside. There was a wide spread of diseases, such as malaria, diarrhea, we had rashes on their bodies and arms. On top of the male dungeon, the British slaveholders built the church. The name of the church again is Anglican Church. Anglican Church of England. It's almost summer, they will stand there and voice in the male dungeon. But I want to show you the first church. Listen. So, you see, this was for about 1 minute. But you realize that there are 6 holes, very small holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the British Army officers will come here and select the most strongest men in the military in the first trip. So the 200 men here were the strongest men. So we chase up them in order to restrict them from resistance. I didn't know, when you come here around 8, 9, 10 p.m., you see a lot of cockroaches on the floor. So that means they have to do with all of that. Once I know lives, I'm trying to be wasted. It's piled up to this level. And all of that. But I want to show you something. Listen. What was I asking? You said you see place where you stand. You can't see place where you stand. You see the difference?
Yes, sure.
BBC was. I'm going to show you. You'll be shocked. When you get to the 4th chamber, I'm going to show you evidences. But for now, I like to put a light down so you can see how this is.
Okay.
Just a moment. They were here for 3 months. 3 months was a maximum duration. 2 weeks was the minimum duration. Imagine being in a place like this for 3 months or even 3 days. And because they were here for that very long period of time, some of them were blind here. They had rashes on the body. They cried out loud to be freed, but nobody could help them. Mosquitoes were coming inside. So many of them died. And when they died, they didn't burn them. They just looked at the dead bodies and trashed them. See the ocean. Just look at it. It's in the hand. We are going to support the water. It's all.
Wow.
If you want to say something so that you record,
Yeah.
as a squat.
Because the level now be different. The most say the hand was strong. So a baby son, a garden now, a tray in India. I didn't quite believe. I see that possibility a hand for now. A high. It's not a place we would wish say obi enter me or short me bright me honest As if people were just taking it for fun. This is not fun. Obi wa me Cape Coast Castle. Now was taking pictures and smiling and jumping all over. This is not funny. This is scary. Yes, so I was some young stressed and I'm stressed. This is not funny. When I'm making a jacket, it was so.
So, you know, I mentioned the church that was built. But that whole is connected to the church the British built on top of the pilgrimage. They will worship and pray in the church. And the same people stand right there and look at what is happening in the male slave dungeon. This is the part that we don't understand.
They were treating them like animals.
And they worship. That's the part that is very strange.
That is where the Christianity becomes problems for us.
I think that they built the church on 9%, in my opinion, is that they built the church on top of them in order to impress them spiritually. So they like to think that they are above you.
So,
They are superior to you.
that is how they made us believe.
Yes, the Africans here with the science to show what they were superior to.
See, they will be at something. They will be able
Who just got me see?
Okay.
So start doing
No, we don't have.
no more.
No,
They help them. They would hear them crying out
and they
loud.
will still be worshiping God.
You know what you mean, though? You will do their own thing. Be around so who best of them in the game. Those that really came to preach were even raping the African woman. When you get to a female dungeon, I was like, maybe women were pregnant in the film. This is a male dungeon. I want to get to that dungeon. How many African women were pregnant because they raped them? And what happened? Was it only because they were raped by the British slaveholders? The kids were light skinned.
So,
They give them North African and they give them European names, Nicholas, Charles, Wilson, Thompson, names like that.
they are living amongst us today.
Yes. So light skin, that's good.
I'm not bad.
In the year, the period capture one breaks here. Our brain career. You know, been mentioned on the floor.
Yeah.
That was something I wanted to show you.
Yeah.
Now, the original floor of the male slave dungeon is made of bricks.
Okay.
This is the original floor.
Okay.
This is the actual floor I am touching right now.
Okay.
But this dark floor is not part of the original floor. Okay. Now something happened. We were supposed to be seeing bricks all over because the floor is made of bricks, the original floor. But because the African men were defecating, sleeping, eating, dying, their waste, feces, blood, food eventually piled up to become this dark floor, covered all the bricks. So we are actually standing and walking on the traces of the DNA of the enslaved African men.
You don't even have to come here with.
So
I
this
felt we should have even come here barefooted.
Yeah, sometimes we don't believe that. Those that understand the history.
So this is not.
No, it's not like cement or concrete that we have intentionally made on top of the bricks. What you are touching right now, this is the feces, the blood,
the tears, everything
that is what
that they went through these years. That is what piled up to look like a cemented. And then what you, the year penny can say, originally, when the original idea floor, a bricks, Ben one maybe. Say there was a tear. That's what that is the now. I said, I shall have it here. This is black soil. Be another CC, so what's the answer? No more to swap, Omudam, Omuja, Manaya, Omudam, Omusu, Omubi, and Omudi, a CA, and come. No, Mudam, do you know I am a former, Tamusu, Bibia, and I am to lie, yes, sir. Emma Namujana, Omubusu, Emma. Oh, David, Emma, yes, sir, Yashada, and I cement here. But any cement, and yet don't see it. Emma Bray can say, and yes, don't see it. And you can even feel that there is a vibration, and yet don't see it. And it speaks of bitterness. So, yet, to make us you. Do you think, say, they loved what they went through? They were happy the way they were treated? None of them. Do you think celebrating and I'm holding with the day celebrating, no one had a fine to even and then some of that they wouldn't. But because they were powerless, they built church on top of dungeon. Now, the most painful part of it, they say, not a mass number be people, no more should be a young man, or first, second, third, fourth one money a week, laying another data, a sorry man of it in our performer. Catholic Church, Anglican Church, not a mother or mother when you have a tent to clean. No money on any of the man. A dear who fell. There comes here and another was on soon for. Shame mass. In this place, I don't think I can go there. Yes. Oh. I had it. What room?
Campus has it. Apostle. We are recognized. There are 77. But amongst the 77 deities, this one is the leader deity. Also, my friend Nana Taba.
Nana Taba.
Man counted long before the construction of this slave castle was built. It was here long before the construction started. The construction of the cable slave castle started. But, also, we could be a shrine this one. Your idea, a physical and represented shrine. The castle, Cable's castle, out of Misuse, will go back a sea, you peer the shrine.
Okay.
Your confidant or taking charge of the shrine. Your friend Nama, one in cry. I'm saying the one man. It's all here a man baby here, so travel. Moja, confirm who be out. What do you do? Because I'm a spirit. Trust myself. But I'm not from back. In fact, if I'm more, I say, I'm going to post on relocate post on for slave trade in Jai. I'm going to post on back to its original. It's slave trade in Jai. I'm going to post on back to its original location. But I want a small cell, a small 6 cell. So we are we're Bema. We are, you get blind. Don't put you there. The British Army officers will put you there. After you die, they'll take your dead body and trash you in the ocean. But come now, who can see it? You're from the town. I'll show you a very big town. So the British Army officers will come That is why this chamber has a lot of light. So we look at them and take all those that were sick, put them there. After they died, their bodies were disposed in the ocean. But those that were strong were chained and shackled, forced to walk through the tunnel to the door we call the door of no return. But slave trade now on try, number for British from the town of McLean in 1833 or 1834 to stop slave trade here, to mark the abolition of slave trade.
Okay, this is a reform and Sia. Nakaha. Nanatabram. Nasue yet.
Long before
and Sana.
Construction of Cuban slave castle.
It's because of the fear of they bounce.
We interrupt and we do a lot.
Okay.
So they relocated the shrine to a different place. Slave trade in China, they shrine back to its original location.
Okay.
But also, like I said, we're back. Let's show them back. They're all big one. The castle is big also. I don't know, you're spiritual. You know what I mean? They decided to build the church on top.
They just wanted us to feel said we are nobody. It's young to me and you're going to be, you know. And when we see castle, we see issue. And on sense, a solid time, we see castle, so what I am dungeon. So, we said we were already powerful and we would do so many things.
They did. I want to get to the residence of the government. I'll show you something. I'll show you the windows. Look, did you see the size of the windows?
Oh, just
small.
Yeah, like the middle size.
You see the size of the windows of the British government.
Okay.
That way, the residence, the living room, and the bedroom of the government. I'll show you.
So, am I permitted to go closer to?
Oh, you
can. Thank you so much.
No.
Thank you. So that is what my ancestors knew as God.
Our ancestors knew God.
And they saw his energies and his powers through his creation. And the Anamika say, we are not worshipping the stone, we are worshipping the stone maker. And that is God, the one we do not see. And people don't understand that spirituality has been in existence before religion. And because we've been brainwashed to extend that we cannot, and we don't want to, and our ancestors, we just condemn them by saying they are demonic worshippers.
I always tell people that we don't worship our ancestors. How do you worship them? Do you worship God? I wake up in the morning and worship God. I see a few words of prayer. But when we come here, we do honor them.
We honor them.
There's a difference.
We honor them as I'm saying.
Come here, we worship. How do you worship them?
I am just honoring them. So these spirits are here, and this place feels a bit relaxed because as a swimmer and Ubaha, you feel so okay, a bit peaceful. Actually, the other dungeons.
I'm not working on night tours.
Okay.
Yesterday I was here with a couple, Black American.
Okay.
Last week I was here with 30 Black Americans, night.
Okay.
Yeah, in Brazil, how was this place?
How they will feel during that time?
Around 11, 10, 9, 8, 7 p.m. you see the place is quiet.
And scary. Therefore, don't come here and be jubilating, jumping here and there, feeling that my pocket goes castle without you getting closer to what they went through. And now we do, I have a concert here. When your concert, banana, Cassava, the Bahano. How I felt sad. he coming here once again continuously as or rotating all around now. He is feeling something within him. And see, dear room and poppy champagne. We come here to honor them. Showing on their feces and whatever they went through, their pains and everything are hippie and I say, baby, I did black soil, I can't so from. You come here, you smile, when you get out there, you know what to champagne now. I don't know. I mean, when they say we don't even know what we want as black people. I will train there, but honor your ancestors. Because whatever they took from us, so honor your ancestors. We are not worshiping them. We are honoring them. The pain they went through. And Yama or more form when you don't penny or can't cry. But as you say, if one of them had to be alive to data and can seven Becca chain and can be crying, you make us all. Yeah, to us. Don't penny that's so.